Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am sitting at one of my build stations where students use tacky glue to put the cardboard all together and make the incredibly cool things that we have. Now, I love tacky glue. It's great for assembling. I've created this little apparatus. It was a phone stand, but it is the perfect shape for holding the tacky glue so that the glue stays at the end. Speaking of the ends, one of the most common things we have is our caps get lost. My friends, I have designed on Tinkercad a cap that works as good, maybe even better, than the original ones. If I had a dime for every time I asked kids, where did the cap go, I'd probably be a pretty rich man. But there's a nice little groove right here that holds the cap on. When you put an original cap on, listen for the click. And then with my cap that I just designed, check it out. It may actually even be a tighter fit. So it takes about 4 minutes to print. I use 0.3mm on the MakerBot, and I've also printed it on my A10. Both work just as good, and boom, problem solved. Alrighty, friends, so I'm not going to kid you. I did have to do 9 iterations before I finally got the exact right grip that I wanted. Hey, but now it is up on Thingiverse, so anybody that needs glue caps, i.e. teachers and anybody that teaches STEM, boom, you've got it available. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.